Hey guys, it's Tats here from Castagra. And when I was a child, I used to play tennis. Tennis was a lot of fun. I wasn't very good when I started, but I practiced really hard and I got better and better. And I went in a tournament and I lost first round. And then I went in another tournament and I lost again. I just kept losing first round after first round after first round. Just agonizing. I mean, I like to think I'm resilient, but it was getting me down. And it was to a point where I was like, you know what? Forget this game. Maybe I'll play something else. But before I thought about quitting or wanted to quit, I was like, okay, let's try one more idea. And the next tournament, I tried it out. And guess what? Hey, I won. Hey, that's awesome. I was like, okay, maybe that was a fluke. Can I do it again? So the next round, tried this idea that I had, and hey, I won again. Awesome. And then I won again, and in that tournament, I got to the finals, which was huge for me. And the tournament after that was a huge tournament. It's a very big amateur tournament, and I won the whole thing. Now, you're probably thinking, what insight did I gain that all of a sudden changed me from someone that could only win when the opponent didn't show up to winning more consistently and even winning tournaments? I started to play my own game. When I was losing, I was watching what other people were doing and trying to emulate them. So I wasn't playing my own game. I wasn't playing within myself, and I needed to really figure out what made me a good tennis player, or what patterns I needed to establish to be as successful as possible, and adapt those and ignore what other people were doing. And that's the same thing in business or any other venture that you go into. It's easy to get sucked into what other people are doing and wanting to compare yourself or copy what other people are doing. Sure, when you're starting out, maybe you can learn a few things by doing that, but as quickly as possible, you gotta bring it back to your own strengths, the way you do things. And if you do that, you're gonna be a lot more successful than anything that you can do otherwise. So that's my tip. Good talk, and I hope it's really helpful for you.